Hey guys, Tommy Kettner here, and today we're going to install the JDM push start. And this one just turns green. Like I said, who don't like a red push start? Alright, today guys, we're going to install the JDM push start, and all you really need is for a flathead screwdriver and the JDM push start button. Just that one screw right there, you'll take it out. After you have this piece popped out, you have to pop this out. Alrighty, and then you'll pop when you get this popped out, and it just pulls out. Then you'll have to reach in and unhook the clip off the back of this on the factory one, and then you'll have to push these pins in. Alright, and then when you get the connector in the back of the switch unhooked, there's a little tab you press down, and then the button will just come out. And I'll try to show you the button on the connector. It's actually below that tab, right there. And you just push it down and pull it out of the back of the switch. Alright, and then you'll just take your new one, slide it back in there, and then it'll snap in. Push in and then connect the connector on the back side and put it all back together. Alright, I just got everything back together. Time to try it out. Well, it works. Alright, thank you for watching. That was the install video on the JDM push start. Peace.